Have you ever wondered what the secret to delivering business intelligence and analytics solutions that executives and users love is? You meet with them, spend hours building a really cool dashboard, only to have them say, "Can't you just give me that in a drillable PDF?" You feel crushed. You're not alone, and it's not your fault. You might feel that you've tried everything. What's even worse is that many spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on new software only to realize the new software doesn't work either. But the reality is, most companies just keep trying more of the same thing and expect different results. It's time to try a different approach. Hi, I'm Heather Cole, founder of Lodestar Solutions. And for over 25 years, I've been implementing and selling software solutions. What I've discovered is that companies that don't have a clearly defined data and analytics roadmap that is blessed by the executive team will struggle. Furthermore, the BI delivery roadmap must be tied to the strategic goals of the organization. So what about you? Can you clearly articulate the strategic goals of your organization? It's okay to admit it. Less than 4% of BI professionals that have attended my workshops over the last 7 years can answer that question. And you know what? It's not their fault either. Think about it. The executives want the BI team to deliver data insights so they can accomplish their goals. But the executives never communicate what the goals are. That's like telling the BI team to run a marathon and expecting them to finish in record time, but never telling them the route or where the finish line is. Yes, your executives are setting up the business intelligence and analytics initiatives for failure, and they don't even realize it. I don't know about you, but my crystal ball doesn't really work, and I'm not good at reading people's minds. It's no wonder that 60 to 70% of BI initiatives don't get past the initial pilot. So, how do we get executives to communicate the goals and become analytic leaders to help you succeed, especially when they won't even meet with you? The answer is in the numbers. That's right. You have to show a huge return on investment. You want the ROI to be so big they can't wait to work with you. For decades, I've not just implemented software, but I've been a student of psychology, high performance, change management, negotiation, influence, and leadership. I've studied under some of the greatest coaches in the world, like Tony Robbins and Brendon Burchard. Through this journey, I've developed a success framework for business intelligence and analytics. There are a number of frameworks and programs to guide you depending on your starting point. One client that attended my workshop used my framework to define a single dashboard that was forecasted to make the company $1.2 million in annual recurring revenue. Imagine standing in front of the key executives in your organization. You take a deep breath. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm here to get your thoughts on a project that our director of sales estimates would increase revenue by $1.2 million in recurring revenue. And guess what? It will only take us about 120 days to deploy. Think about it. Do you think you'd have their attention? Absolutely. So are you ready to change your life? Imagine having a job you love again, having interesting, meaningful projects instead of constantly firefighting. And you can. There is a better way, and let us show you how. Click the Let's Chat button below, provide us a little background information, and we'll schedule a time to talk. Or if you want to learn more about our proven frameworks and programs, click the Learn More button. When you're ready to try something different, the Lodestar team is here to show you a better way.